हिंद अमेरिका 2+2 मुज़ाकरात में हिंद अमेरिका के दरमियान BECA मुआहदा तय पाया। मुख्तलिफ बाहमी इलाकाई और आलमी मसाइल पर तबादला ख्याल किया गया। दोनों ममालिक के दरमियान बाहमी ताउन और दिफाई ताल्लुकात को फ़रोग़ देने के लिए अहम पेशरफ्त अमल में आई। 2+2 मुज़ाकरात के बाद मुश्तरका प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस से खिताब करते हुए वज़ीर दिफा राजनाथ सिंह ने हिंद अमेरिका के बीच इसे खुशआइंद पेशरफ्त करार दिया।
I deeply appreciate your commitment to our bilateral relations. During the meeting today, we have had comprehensive discussions on key aspects of our bilateral and multilateral cooperation. We considered the major challenges we face, the need for quick economic recovery and growth, prevention of the pandemic rebuild, the global supply chains and related issues received obvious priority in our discussions. I met Dr. Esper yesterday to discuss bilateral defense issues. We continued our discussions on larger regional and global perspective today over the 2+2. Signing the BECA today, after signing the LEMOA in 2016 and COMCASA in 2018, is a significant achievement in that direction. I would also like to highlight some of the other noteworthy steps taken by both India and the US in follow-up to our earlier discussions. These include positioning of US Navy liaison officer and Indian Fusion Center, Indian Ocean Region and Indian liaison officer at Navicent, Bahrain, greater interaction and coordination with CENTCOM and AFRICOM, setting up of the COMSEC account and increasing the scope and complexities of our exercises. Now, liaison officers at each other's establishment could be leveraged to enhance our information sharing architecture. To sum it up, our military-to-military cooperation is progressing very well.
बिहार में कल पहले मरहले का इंतखाब है। पहले मरहले में 71